Welcome back to Josh's 1 Minute Tool Reviews, and today we're going to look at the 305mm compound mitre saw from Lumberjack. Man, I love this tool. Do you know how much I love it? It's a 2,000 watts mitre saw. It almost like jumps a little bit because it's got so much power, man. Beautiful. What else can we do? We can go 45 to 45 this way. We can go 45 to 45 this way. That's because it's a compound mitre saw. Hey, see? You get it? Other thing I really like, we have forward-facing guide rails. So it doesn't take up as much space as some of the bigger ones. And you know what? The pièce de résistance is of it. It can cut a 4-inch post. It will do 104mm, right? So if you're doing like 6x4s, 8x4s, so sleepers, you're a gardener, landscaper, fencer, this thing is going to cut them. I use it for cutting the timbers for my gates, and I want a 90-degree cut through 4 inches. Perfect, eh? You let me know what you'd like to do next.